Hi everyone, and welcome you back to Silent Light Healing. So, with a new reading. Today I am using the new deck that is Magic of Unicorns. I was waiting for this deck, and today I have received the same. So, first we'll be using the original deck and then the new ones. Okay, so let us check what are the love messages for you, what is the love guidance for you, what are your partner's feelings, current feelings for you. Okay, so if you are manifesting something, justice is being served. Okay, if there are some court cases going on, okay, there is a court case going on and you are waiting for justice, then definitely the case will be in your favor. Okay, the justice will be served at the end. Okay, if you are waiting for something, if you know that the actions of your person were not, reasonable in the past, or maybe their behavior was not so good with you, their actions were really hurting you in the past, and they did not even say sorry to you, did not even apologize to you. Okay, but now they are going to do that because you are going to get justice. Justice is on the cards. Okay, so the efforts that you have been putting in this connection to save this connection, to manifest the love that you want in your life, it's all going to pay off in your life. So everything is going to pay off. Okay, everything is paying off. Okay, the hangman energy was present in the past. Okay, you have not been in a good position. Even you are wondering if justice is going to be served, if your efforts, and if whether your actions for getting the same love back, okay, or maybe in return the reciprocation of same love is going to come back to you or not. If you're wondering, then the answer is definitely a yes. Okay, so you have been in a worry energy, fearful energy. Okay, so you do not know whether to move forward, or maybe you should try harder or push harder for this person. But definitely, if you have been putting a lot of efforts into this connection or relationship, your answer is definitely a yes. Okay, universe, spirit guides, okay, your ancestors, ascended masters, archangels, everybody, okay, is watching you and your efforts and your actions, and they are going to show you the results very soon. Also, with the hangman energy, I get that there is your person is not able to decide whether to how to take this forward. Okay, how to work this out, how to make this connection or relationship work with you. Okay, to make it successful, or maybe to leading to a successful and a happy marriage. Okay, that is what I get. So with the hangman energy, they are wanting to take it very slow. They are not wanting to rush this. Okay, if you try to force them to do something, or force to get into a connection or something, they are getting very tensed and they ghost you sometimes. Okay, that is because of their insecurities, because they are wanting some time, okay, to process their energies, to heal their energies, to reanalyze, and to look into each and every aspect which is affecting the connection. Okay, so please do not rush or hurry. If it is going to happen, if it's meant to happen, it's definitely going to happen, but you are supposed to be patient, and it's going to happen in the divine timing. Next we have is the Empress card. So with this card I get, we have a heart symbol here, so that could be very sorry, it fell. So the heart symbol is quite significant if you're waiting for new love, or maybe new person, new commitment. Okay, then definitely it's going to come into your life, it's going to show up in your life. And yeah, the judgment is going to be in your favor, definitely. Okay, the queen is declaring something here, so the judgment is going to be in your favor. Okay, you are declaring something, maybe you have won something, or maybe you are going to win everything in your life. Okay, very soon you are going to win it all. So the victory is yours, the gain is yours, everything will be yours. Okay, whatever you are desiring for. So you soon will be having each and every resource that's lacking right now. You will be having each and everything present in your life very soon. Fine. So trees are quite important for you. Nature is important. Yellow color is important. Red color is important. If you are trying to conceive, then this is a very good sign. Okay, then you are very soon going to get good news regarding the same. So yeah, you will be a very great mother, and this is not a gender based reading, but you are, if you are trying, then you are going to be blessed parents and a beautiful uh, couple who will be soon receiving the good news, fine, regarding the same. So next we have is the High Priestess card. Okay, again, I get if there was something, like that was bothering you since a very long time, and you were questioning a lot. Okay, you had a lot of questions in your mind, in your heart, which were supposed to be answered, and you were juggling with a lot of thoughts and a lot of things. You were dealing with a lot of things and stuff in your life. You are going to get the solution for the same, okay, to your problem. And it will be in your favor. Everything is going to be in your favor, so don't worry about the same. And if balance was lost, it's coming back in your life, back in your connection, back in your relationship. So you are trying to even find out the balance that you have lost. Okay, you are not stuck in a particular energy. You are choosing to move forward rather than sticking to or maybe letting those negative thoughts, negative past, or maybe hurt affect you anymore. So you're not letting that happen. You're moving forward with the positivity and a positive mindset. Fine, so that is a very good thing. And I also get the word church. So maybe you are visiting church, or maybe temple. I also get temple. So if you want, you can visit once and you can pray to God. If you are doing it, then definitely your prayers are being heard. Definitely they are going to be answered very soon. Fine, Knight of Cups. So your person is coming up with the cup. Okay, they are going to offer you the cup of emotions. So with the Knight of Cups, I get that the movement is quite slow and there has been very less or no contact between the two of you since quite a few months now. And you do not know whether your person is going to offer you the commitment, reciprocate the same energies and love or not, or respect or not. Whether they are coming in with the commitment or not, okay, and offer you with the same commitment or not, okay. So if you're wondering that, then about the same and worried about the same, then the answer to your question is definitely a yes, because they are coming in. The movement is very slow, okay. It might have taken much time than you have thought of, okay, and maybe it is not happening in your expected time frame, but it's all happening for your own good, okay, and at the divine timing, as I always say. They are coming, they are going to offer you the cup of emotions, okay, cup of love. And maybe mountains are important. Maybe they are mountain person, you are a mountain person, okay. They like to visit. Also I get river, maybe uh, a river which is passing by the mountains. I don't know, I get a lot of channelized messages from the spirit guides, okay, every time new messages. So yeah, that is what. Or maybe I also get fractured leg. Maybe fractured leg is somewhere significant. I mean to say that you might have suffered from the uh, same, or maybe your person is going through a painful period. So I get that, okay. So you have taken care of them during the difficult times, okay. You have provided them healing energetically, okay, or otherwise. Yeah, so that is what I'm getting, and they are definitely coming and going to offer you with commitment. So two of wands, they consider, see, they are holding a wand in their hand, and he is also wanding the the globe, okay. So they consider you their whole world, okay. They know that you are their home, you are their person, and at the end you are only the one who is going to be offering them with commitment, your time, your efforts and everything, because nobody is going to wait for them, nobody is going to take care of them the way you do. Fine, so they very well know and understand the connection, they have started doing it. And again, I'm getting river. I don't know why the cards are falling to. Yeah, the river is very quite, it's important and significant here. And maybe red rose, white rose, okay. Roses are important, maybe white flowers are important. And yeah, you are their person, they are holding, so they are holding on to you and they are not going to give up on you, okay. And considering you as their world, entire world, okay. On this planet they very well know you are their person, nobody else. Fine, so let us check any 7 messages I want from the new deck. Okay, the very first card we have is open your heart, love yourself, dare to be vulnerable. So if you are feeling something, if you are afraid of sharing your feelings with your person, or maybe to confess or something to express, then please be free to do the same. Okay, open your heart. If your past was very painful and you are afraid about the new relationship, or if somebody new has entered in your life and he or she is trying to show you some love, okay. And if you are afraid to accept the offer, okay, that they have been offering since quite a long time, then please do not do that. Okay, heal yourself, open your heart, be open to love, receiving love, because even you deserve love. Fine. And each and every person needs love. So please be open to love, because universe is gifting you something. Okay, do not push back, do not be afraid of the past relationship, because of the past relationship or past hurt, it's not going to be repeated again. Next we have is Cosmic Pearl. Expand your psychic gifts, open the gate to the angelic realms. So if you are a healer or maybe a light worker, if you have been reading tarot cards for people, if you have been healing, okay, if you have healing energies, or maybe if you are, a spiritual person, then please meditate more, and you will, your spiritual abilities will improve. It will be enhanced. Okay, angels are always there, present around you, and they are always in your support, working in your favor. Fine. Be a beacon, be an inspiration, light the way for others. So if God has given you something, as I get, the judgment is going to be passed in your favor. And if you are having some kind of power in your hands in the near future, then please be light to others. Okay, be helpful to others. If God has given you a chance, then please show a way to others rather than being selfish. Okay, you are not, I'm not offending somebody, but be selfless. Okay, when somebody needs help, then you are supposed to help them. Your personal unicorn, bathe in pure love, stay open to unicorn magic. So maybe unicorns are quite important for you. Okay, you have been believing in unicorn magic a lot, and they are guiding you definitely through dreams, I get, through signs I get. Okay, so they are guiding you. I am presence, expand your stellar gateway, I am that I am. So accept, sorry, what am I doing, accept the way you are. Okay, accept who you are, be proud of yourself. Okay, so two more messages I want, spirit guides. Okay, we have refreshing oasis, nurture yourself, gather your strength. So try to spend time in nature, meditate more, as I said, focus on yourself. Okay, heal yourself, focus, love yourself, spend time with yourself, and be strong, because you are very strong, and your person is going to come back to you. And your person that you have met recently, okay, they are going to offer you with the same love, respect. They are very much inspired by seeing your strength. So be a very strong person, open to abundance, believe you deserve, accept plenty and prosperity. So prosperity coming your way, unicorns are answering you, and they are saying that prosperity is coming your way, and whatever you have desired for or wished for, it is all going to come, and it is going to manifest. You are going to receive, you have asked for something, and you are going to get plenty of that particular thing. Okay, if you have asked for certain amount of love, okay, then you are getting a lot of amount of love in abundance. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You are not even expected, you are not even wished for or prayed for, you are getting so much. Okay, in number or maybe in amount. Maybe if you are asking for wealth or love, okay, or any case, it could be anything specifically, but it's always abundance which is going to manifest in your life. Fine, so this was your reading, and these were your messages. Thank you so much. Take care, stay blessed.